Welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating DC cables. Let's get started. First, create your solar design in the Web application. Create a new segment and add a new design. Use Place Modules automatically to add modules to the design. Next, create an inverter. Click on the Inverter button and place it in the design. You can choose the inverter model from the library. Create the electrical configuration and wire the system. Use automatic wiring to connect everything. Open the Cables panel. Next, you need to place the cable trench on the design. Click on New Cable and position the cable trench in the layout. You'll see that the cable trench aligns with the digital elevation model. In the next step, you can add DC cables for all strings. Click Automatic Cable Placement. Choose the color and cable size. The system will automatically place cables for all strings. Congratulations! You've successfully generated the cables, and you can view the cable lengths in the Reports panel. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.